This is the perfect gaming setup for me. It is a wired Huntsman Mini and the Razer Backlit V3, which features a lot of customizable buttons, super comfortable. The support on this thumb area, it's the brilliant design. This scroll wheel can also be clicked as well. The cable is not removable, while the Huntsman Mini has a USB Type-C connection. Love this cable management design, by the way, to USB Type-A. Both are braided cable design. It plugs in back here, a perfect fit. And notice the slot design, so the cable is not going to go anywhere. It's a guided approach. So potentially I can get a longer cord if it is insufficient. The angle can be adjusted with two settings, right? This is a shorter one and a taller one, depending on the preference. And the other end is a standard USB Type-A port, Windows key, and there's a sleep button. The FN and 1, 2, 3, 4, these combinations can be used to change the RGB color. I normally use this kind of rubber band to do the cable management. It's very long. This is definitely more than 6 feet long cord. Yeah, very comfortable. I cannot recommend this thing enough. Super satisfying to type on. And stable. It's not gonna slide anywhere. 4 rubber pads for gamers. This is definitely designed for gamers. By the way, there's a button to switch profile setting. Awesome mouse.